So in this segment of this video, we will see how you can create Microsoft plan and manage for your department and for your projects. So for example, you can go and click on app launcher. You can see here we have planner. Click on planner and it will take you on a page that is the home page of planner. So you can see all the plans what we created for our organization. You can see listed here. So you can click on a particular plan and see what is the progress in that particular board. So this is how similarly you can create for your department, you can create for your organization, and you can create for your project as well. For example, you can see we have the development plan, then we have the mobile app development. For example, you have a particular project, so this is how you can create your plan for that particular project. Apart from that, you can see here we have grid. So if you want to check any task, for example, development plan, so you can click on grid and you can see your plan in grid mode. You can also add a task from here. Then we have board. So you can see your plan in a board view. And then you can see in a chart view where you can see like how many tasks you have and how many tasks your each and every member in that particular board have. For example, here we have two members, three members. So we can see like how many tasks assigned to Anup and how many tasks assigned to Sandeep. So easily you can get to know that who is free and who is overloaded. Then we can schedule. If something you want to schedule in this board, that is what you can like due date. So based on that, you can see like today we have these many pending tasks. Tomorrow we have these many pending tasks. So that is what you can see on schedule board. Then you can see we can have in a weekly mode, we can have in a monthly mode. Then here you can see we have a conversation, so you can go on Teams. You can see all your members who is part of this particular board. For example, you can click and it will take you on Outlook. There it will show that how many members are part of this particular board. You can also add from there. So you can see these many members we have. So you can also add members from here. Apart from that, you can also add your members from here as well. So then we can see we have the files, notes, site. You can also pin it. Once you will pin, it will be visible here in that board. Otherwise, it will be here. Then you can copy. If you, sometimes you have a requirement in that case that you want that you have a board, but you want a copy of similar board for your other departments or other projects. In that case, you will go on copy. Then you can assign a particular group. For example, you want for your HR management group or you want for your services group department. So you will just select from here and then you can create that particular plan. After that, you can see export plan as Excel. You will export and you will see all those tasks in a Excel format. If you want to share with someone, you can easily export in Excel and share with someone else. You can also copy link of this plan. In plan setting, you can change the background. You can also add the like you want to make public or private. That is what you can do from here. You can also set notifications that when a task is assigned or when a task is updated, you want to send notification on Outlook. That is what you can do from here. So you can see like we have a kind of like everything we have here, like related to the assigned due date and everything you can see here. For example, if I will go here and click on a particular task, you can see from here, you can assign to a new member. Like it's already assigned to Anup. If I want to assign to Alok, I can assign from here. If I want to assign to multiple people, we can also do from here. Then we have bucket. Like right now, it's in to do. You want to move in progress, you will change from here. Also, you can change in progress, priority as urgent, start date, for example, tomorrow, end date 12, and then repeated. You want daily, so you can do daily or weekly or monthly, yearly. Custom means like once in a while you want to set, like in September on this date I want to complete. So that is what you can set using custom. Apart from that, you can see we can add the multiple checklists. So we can go and add like demo 2, then again demo 3. So you can see like you can easily create multiple checklists in a particular task. You want that it should be go in a multiple steps. Then you can create one step as a checklist. And we can also upload attachments from here related to that particular task, and then comments you can see below this box. So it has the complete everything, like you can manage related to the file, checklist, steps, and also you can assign to a person using Planner. The good part is like you can copy this link or plan, and you can add in a Microsoft team. You can click on plus icon here and task by planner, and then you can see either you can create a new plan, either you can click on use an existing plan from the team. So if all those members who are part of this particular project are also part of that plan, you can see that plan here. Otherwise you can't see it. So if you want to add here, the best part is first you go and check that is that group already part of that particular plan which you want to access here. If yes, then in that case you will get that plan here in drop down. So select and then you can save. So you can see it's added here, and there you can again have your boards. You can move from here and there. So everything whatever you saw there, that is what you can you can do here as well. And you can also add this plan in your Microsoft SharePoint. In that case, we'll go on SharePoint, and here, for example, if uh, I want to add a task management system, I will go and click on here, and then we'll see new button. So click on plan, and here we can add STW Titans new Titans task and create. So once you will create, you can see a new board here. That is what you can manage. Either you can also copy that particular link and go and add from here as well. So we can make, for example, to do, then we can make progress. So same thing, you can also create your board using this chart and complete it. And from here, add, you can just assign demo, add, and after that you will click and edit everything like we edited over there. So you saw how you can create your plan, add in SharePoint, and also you can add in Microsoft Team, because mostly your employee will come to SharePoint side, and mostly they will come to your Microsoft Team. So they don't have to go in Planner. They can manage everything either from your internet, either from their communication system, Microsoft Teams.